time and time again. So many one time, one night mistakes I was making, the choices, now the one I wanna be repeating. I wasn't that much into thinking back then, just saying. I just like the hoes and tricks they be tricking. No lies, yeah, not proud at all of the man whore I was being. Fun times, yeah, making any OBGYN start tripping.
At least they were old enough to pass getting carded, cause I ain't retarded and nobody gonna be redacting my shit. If I was a, what you call it, old Homer Simpson said it, just put a P in front of it, though. Oval Office yellow posted, I'll pass on it. You can get it all at Mar-a-Lago, at Fly-In Drive-Thru. We got it all, we got everything the elites want, yeah, down in Mar-a-Lago. The resort that the pros hang out at, and professionally, of course, it's just golf course, of course. Don't get it twisted, I'm sure it's all legit. You know it has to be down in Mar-a-Lago. We are all sure they were old enough to pass getting carded, cause golfers ain't retarded and nobody gonna be redacting they shit, even if they are. Or what you might call it, old Homer Simpson said it, just put a P in front of it, though. Marker drawn dream you want, and the red carpet treatment down at Mar-a-Lago. You can get it all. Fly-In Drive-Thru, we got it all. We got everything the elites want, yeah, down in Mar-a-Lago. You can get it all. Fly-In Drive-Thru, we got it all. We got everything the elites want, yeah, down in Mar-a-Lago. Old Homer Simpson said it.